Hey, it's Rick, Lamps Pest Solutions. I'm here at one of my great customers' homes, and I'm going to walk through the exterior, or walk on the outside of the house, I should say, and maybe point out some things which are conducive to pests, allow pests to get in, some simple things that you might do around your house to prevent pests from coming into it. So let's take a look around. So here we are, you can see some leaf debris at the house, and let me kind of explain to you what's happening. This is very common this time of the year, but the bugs will get up underneath this type of stuff, and you know, when you have a pest control treatment, all that's going to be protected underneath here because I put the product up on top of it, but it doesn't penetrate down below, and it also retains moisture. So that's something that's, you know, rake that stuff up as quickly as you can. So I'm here on the other side of the house now, and I want to show you this. This is very common in a lot of homes this time of the year, but when we start going into the warmer months, this is very, very important to take care of. What you can see here is a lot of the grass and weeds that need to be all trimmed up, because what's happening is even mice and rats can use this as a protection to hide them from the predators around, but also ants will get crawling right up underneath that and nothing can be done about it really. So trim that stuff up. It's just making it less inviting for all sorts of different pests. And while I'm here, you can see this vent right here. Let's see, the vent, there's a big hole right here going into it. So a major rat can just fit right through that without no problems at all. Mice, maybe rats can even fit through these things here. It takes the size of a quarter for a full-grown rat to get in here. But obviously, all sorts of bugs can fit through here because the screening is all off. So let's see, as I'm walking by, I'm also noticing, well, right here is a hole. I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but that's a penetration point for ants and roaches and spiders and earwigs and all sorts of things to get up underneath here, find another crack getting into the wall. So they're in the walls, and they're going to find little holes in the walls to get out of. So there we go. So here I am again. If you have any problem with pests, give me a call. It's Rick, Lamps Pest Solutions. But hey, you don't even have to have a problem. You don't even need me to come out to your house. You can give me a call, and I'd be more than happy to, hey, this is some tips that you can do here. Just give me the scenario, and we'd be glad to help you. Okay, bye now.